So today we're going to do a quick video on front end and back ends and using managed links in order to join these. So sometimes in Access it's important to have a back end that is separate from the front end so that the tables in the back end are just the tables. So here if I open up the back end, there's 3 tables. And then the front end is where all your code, all your forms and queries, everything else is. And then it's linked to the back end. So let's open this up. And you'll see this little arrow. That means that there's a link between the back end and front end. So there's 2 different ways to do this. I can either right click and then go to Link Table Manager, and you can see all the links here. So if I needed to update this to a different folder or different location, I could. I can also add a new data source. So we're going to go to File, go to External Data, New Data Source, and then from Database, go to Access. And let's do links, and let's do browse. Now these are already linked, so it is not gonna, it's gonna add double links. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'll link to a different folder just so it works. And then, so here are the links. So let's just go and select all of these. I can select all, or I can just click them individually. And then I hit OK. Now these are added with number 1 behind them because they already exist. But that's how you link tables to a backend. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.